what's happening? I'm Chris Young and this is 80/20 CRM. I'm going to show you a little bit about the setup and admin around company information. Now if you're on the home page or in another app even, why don't we just make sure we're in the 80/20 CRM app, click the app launcher here, go to 80/20 CRM, we're already there, but just for kicks. Across the top you've got your tabs. If you're an admin, you'll likely have more than will fit. So you might see a more tab here. Drop that down, jump into company information. That will allow you to see the company information records that you have. Now these are unique to 80/20 CRM. We allow you to have multiple companies, multiple tenants inside of 80/20 CRM. The records carry branding information and portal information. I'll jump into one to show you a little bit about it. You might have an acquisition brand, a brokerage, a disposition brand, maybe a primary entity that you represent everything from, kind of an umbrella company. And so we want to just check what type of company that is. Also, what's the name? So this is the record name, company info name. And then this here is the company name itself. Maybe you've got a DBA or something that you want to show on the front end. You'll notice this says branding section. You've got a logo. This needs to be a publicly available link, so that it can publish to emails and signatures and websites. If you don't have one, no problem. We can upload it and make it publicly hosted through Salesforce. A primary color and secondary color, this is just a representation of that logo. Your address, phone number, email, website, and a booking calendar if you want a general calendar. Again, this is good for signatures. We try to automate as much of that as we can. If you've got social media links, throw those in here. Those social media links also get added to emails. So the footer of emails, signatures, websites, and portals, we try and make sure that is as streamlined as possible. We take your colors, we take your links, we create those dynamically as we go. Email signature. Now, if you want to see a signature for the company, you can populate that there. And a few unique website fields. Now, if you want a unique logo on the website, you can populate that here. Now for the disposition or listing portal, there's usually some disclaimers on there that you've probably seen before. If you want any sort of disclaimer, you can populate that here. That's going to go underneath the agent information, just letting you know, hey, we work with realtors, or hey, you're buying as is, or this may also be listed and represented by an agent. So a little bit of information there. And then the contact us section. So we went ahead and put this here. It is an HTML field in the portal, but it was easier to manage, we thought, for you from this company information section. You're welcome to pop this in any site and edit it and bring it back in, but it's just an easy, simple HTML section. And why don't I just go ahead and show you what that looks like in a portal. Now, if you're in a contact us, you'll notice just a couple of things here. Of course, got a contact form. And then this is that contact us text that we've got. A little bit about our process. Maybe you want to put an image of your team in there. You can drop whatever you'd like. And then over here, we've got the map and location. And then a tagline. If you want a tagline, feel free to throw that on there as well. End of fiscal year. This is for commissions if you're using fiscal year for commissions, but it's also as some other locations. So don't feel obligated to put that there, but we do have it in case the different businesses have different end of fiscal year. All right, well, that was a little bit about company information records. These do actually sync back to metadata so that they're accessible from the disposition and listing portals. You'll notice nothing related here, but these companies do get tied in other places across the platform. Easy enough to create a new one, or I think we've got a clone here if you want to clone one. And then of course, if you want to edit, no big deal, pretty easy to do that too. I hope that helps. These are really foundational for 80/20 CRM. It's important to have those companies, so your signatures and portals are ready to go. In a minute, we'll also run through setting up your markets, the companies and markets together, try and build that foundation or framework for things. Hope that's helpful. Again, this is company information with 80/20 CRM. I'm Chris Young. Thank you.